ranking with the bank. Okay, in US, their business environment is not like Malaysia. In Malaysia, the strong company is bank. So in US are different. Even a small you got a small bungalow, you also can develop your own bank. Okay, you can have your what bank. So in US, a lot of private company, they're stronger than their bank. So now our assumption is the bond issuer bank, actually the bond issue, the owner of the bond is same strong with the bank. Okay, both ranking are same. So bank offer interest 10%, the company also offer 10% coupon rate. So in this situation, I'm the issuer, so I no need to worry about no people demand my bond. I have a lot of investor. I no need to worry. No people want to buy my bond. So in this situation, I can sell the bond at the par value. So this kind of bond we call par bond, no? Okay, simple, Okay. Assume I already get the approval from the Security Commission, everything is 10%. But after this, you need to know, for your information, every 2 months, the monetary committee will have the meeting to discuss on want to adjust the OPL or not. Okay, so next month we have one meeting. So if you want to know the schedule, you can go to the Bank Negara to check. Okay, so if like this, after I get the approval from the bank, from the Bursa Malaysia or Security Commission, I can issue the bond with 10%. But after this, market interest adjusts to 15%. Market interest rate adjusts to 15%. So in this situation, you all is the investor. You all will buy my bond or you will put your money in the bank. Bank law, rational investor even you got a very good relationship with me, you also just buy 1 or 2 bonds only. The majority of your money you put in the bank. So in this situation, no people want to buy my bond. I issue the bond, that means I need the money to develop my company. In this situation, I am unable to get the sufficient capital to do my investment. So what I need to do is I need to sell at a discount to encourage you all buy my bond. Make sure I can get the sufficient capital. So I will sell at a discount, so the bond we call discount bond. Okay, the bond I will call discount bond. I cannot. Okay, we go to another situation. Another situation is after I get the approval from the Security Commission, market interest drop. Market interest drop to 5%. So in this situation, if you are a rational investor, you will buy my bond or you will put the money in the bank. buy my bond or invest in the bond. But the number of bond issue or number of capital I can raise from the bond is get the approval from the Security Commission. I mean, they assume they allow me to print the selling 100 bond only. I mean, I cannot say because of due to high demand, I want to sell 200 bond. Cannot. So in this situation, demand increase, supply demand unchanged. So I will change the tactic. Say who offer me a higher price, I will sell to the person. So in this situation, I can sell the price more than the par value. So when can more than the par value, that means more than 100, more than par. Par can be any figure. Okay, more than the par value. So in this situation, we call this kind of bond is a premium bond. Okay, this kind of bond is a premium bond. So in here, we can observe the relationship if when interest rate increase, bond price are dropped. Okay, simple, huh? If you are using the figure, the one put here, the one is up to you because say based on your own example. Okay, so now can answer the first question or no? Yes, how to answer? Copy all here. Huh? Yes, because in Utah, so in exam Utah provide you the paper, you already pay the money. Okay, so you want what? Earn back more more paper and let the lecturer suffer. Okay, so in question one just only give you one situation. They say coupon rate is 10%, required rate is 12%. So question one, you just need to answer this part only. So easy, Okay, question one, you just need to answer this part only. You no need to tell me the grandmother story. Direct go to the point. Okay, So you see question one, the answer is simple like this. Yes, because the required return more than coupon rate. So price is below 100 ringgit. So we have the sufficient money. Okay, so risk management, the question look like very difficult, but actually the question very easy. So don't look at the question, say, hey, I never teach during the class. We just change the method to ask the question only. Okay, so sorry, you still wanna? I will upload to the Facebook group. If you want, you can download from the Facebook group. Okay, normally after finish your class, I will upload to the Facebook group. If I forgot, you remind me. Okay, give you some refreshment on your bond valuation. And then after this, I will show you common mistake from the finance student. Okay, so I'm doing 2A only. Okay, your company have issued 1,000 par value bond with 14% coupon interest payment. They pay the interest semi-annually and 10 years remaining to the maturity. So bond with a similar risk are selling 12%. So what is the bond price for IPM? So you just need to using NI, PV, PMT, and future value. So you just substitute 100 par value, 14% coupon payment. So times the par value is 140. 10 years to maturity, and the required return is 12%. So they highlight to you semi-annually. Highlight to you semi-annually. So and you need to times 2. I you need to divide by 2. PMT you need to divide by 2. And then you can get the answer. How much? I don't have a calculator. And you make sure you need to have the financial calculator. And make sure you need to make a good friend with your financial calculator. 1114.70 and then negative. Okay, for all the finance subject, if you give the answer like this, if this question got 5 marks, I just give you 3 marks only. If this question 3 marks, I just give you 2 marks only. Okay, all the result from the financial calculator or all the final result you need to interpret. Okay, you need to give a very simple conclusion like, okay, IPM bond price is RM 1114.70. So for finance, you need to very be careful on this thing. Not only you in UCA, all the professional body exam, you also need to give the conclusion. Okay. This is the bond YTM. And then they still have another measurement of the bond return. We call it the current use. Current use is the return for this year. So it's the annual interest payment divided by the price today. So it's 12.65%. But say we know this all thing. Because this is the fundamental subject. Okay. Now I want to let you know your mistake. Okay. I give you 10 minutes. You go to answer. We got the XYZ ma. Okay. If you have time, you go to do XYZ. If you don't have time, X or Y. You need to do X and Y. If you really don't have the time, you do the Y enough. Okay. I want to let you know in exam, our examiner very love your behavior like this question. Then now you're thinking more variation easy using calculator can get. Okay, I let you try this question. I give you 5 minutes. You read the question carefully. You're doing Y enough Doing Y enough. Okay, class. This question, I just want to let you know the common mistake from you all. When you read the question, you see it very easy, sure can get the answer. And then after this, you ignore the important information. So some of you get a negative answer, negative, and then some of you will say, I want to double confirm, I change another method. I also negative, and then after this, your conclusion is what? I really use more than one method. My answer should confirm correct. And then when go out to the exam, when result come out, then you'll just say, hey, why fail? Okay, you'll see. When we talk about the bond variation, NI, PV, PMT, and future value. Okay. I'm doing the X, par value is 1,000 ringgit, and then market price is 820, and then coupon payment is 9%. 9% times 1,000 is 90, and then 8 years to maturity. Okay. Just now I walk around. Some people say that no need put asking me, should we put the negative in the PV or no? Okay. My answer is yes. Okay, because your working, the working you show me here is you based on your financial calculator. Even when you key in the financial calculator, you got put a negative, and then the result come out is correct. But your working, you never show the negative. Your working never show the negative. The examiner have the right to mark your answer, your answer 0 mark, because the examiner can justify working wrong, answer correct. This may be copied from someone. So you just write a negative. Don't let the examiner to have the chance help the user increase their profit. Okay. So you must put the negative. Negative, you want to put in the PV future value or MPV, that one is up to you lah, huh? But we have the philosophy. Money fall out from your pocket, negative. Money fall into your pocket, positive. Okay, then you can get your answer. Okay, coupon rate per period 9%, so you get 90. So you can get the answer, how much? Give me answer. 12.71%. Okay, you get the correct answer. Okay, and then when come to the question 2, why? Okay, also ask you to calculate YTM. So you're using NI, PV, PMT, and future value. And then same thing, par value 100 ringgit. Present value negative 118. Okay. Coupon rate per period. The first time you read the per period and then you ignore. Okay, you just read 3% semi-annually. So 3 times 100, you get 3 here. And then divide by 2. And then n is 5, multiply with 2. And then you get the answer. Okay, I conclude from your senior until now, they have the 3 mistakes. The first mistake is all the finance subject, if we say par value of the bond is 1,000. So PMT, you multiply 3%, you get 30 ringgit. So you got a very huge number. This is the first mistake. Okay, and then second mistake is on here. Per period, you ignore. What means per period? For the first question, 1 year, they pay you one time only. So 1 year, just only one period, 9%. Okay, second question, they say semi-annual, but they pay you 3% per period. That means first 6 months, 3%. Second 6 months, 3%. Okay, this is the meaning of per period. So when everyone saw the per period list word, you ignore, because previous question never come out this word, right? Okay, so from now, can you answer this question? So is 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. And then after this, you get the answer is 1.09%. Correct, huh? Thank you, huh? Okay, this is the third mistake. Remember here, this is what? YTM divided by 2 equal to 1.09%. So YTM, 2.18%. Okay? All the return and the risk in finance, we are referred to the per annum. So it's a per annum return. Okay, and then any question? Any question? No question, huh? In this topic, the main purpose is what? Let you familiar with your calculator. Make sure you make friend with your calculator, and then make sure your finger is not fat, huh? Fat finger in finance got another term. Fat finger mean what? Huh? Not mean your finger really fat, is when you key in the number, then you assume you want to press 5, you accidentally press 6. So this one we call fat finger, not because of your body size. Okay, the answer 2 point. This one small different. Okay, now we come to the question 5. Zero coupon bond yields, zero coupon bond price, one year implied forward, par coupon bond yields. And then the last one, continue compounded zero coupon bond yields. the full name The answer not important. Important is you need to know how to calculate. Okay. The whole graph, the whole figure here, important for you all is the money implied forward rate. Because this one will appear in the topic 8 again. And then the rest is come out with a package to fill you. Okay. Believe me, when you press the calculator, you press should, you have the fat finger. Okay, so when we have the zero coupon modules or zero coupon price, we can try to forecast the implied forward rate for the next year. So this is the method, this is the thing you need to study on the topic 8 because when we want to swap with other person, we don't have the sufficient interest rate in the market. Market just for you for PL only. So you need to use the additional information to forecast what is the rate maybe both person can agree. So we using the implied forward rate. And then this all is an additional thing for you all. Then after midterm, you don't need to see that. Okay, so let me explain the concept of the 1 year implied forward rate. Okay, today you go to the market. You go to the market, you see market give you, if you deposit for 1 year, the rate is 3%. If you deposit for 2 years, the rate is 3.5%. So from here, what is the implied forward rate at this year? What is the implied forward rate on this year? Yesterday we just discussed with my friend, say how much I need to put in the FD because FD rate drop again and then even market is very peaceful. Now government want to adjust the OPL. By the Private Bank yesterday adjust the interest rate. They got the special promotion rate. Special promotion rate is 3.8%. By yesterday they adjust to 3.7%, drop 0.1%. And then I discussed with my friends, say maybe I want to take out all my money from the Private Bank. Because Private Bank keep on reduce my interest rate. Inside I got a lot of money at their side, no choice so maybe I want to take out, so we calculate the implied forward. We really calculate the implied forward, say after this I say here put inside because I cannot find a good investment opportunity. So that means I have the money I want to put in 2 years, or I want to put money in 1 year. After this, we invest in 2nd years. What is the rate? What is the opportunity cost for me at here? So after calculate, here is 4.0 0.002%. So this is the implied forward rate in the market based on the information we have now. From year 1 to year 2 is 4.002%. Okay, so this is the concept for the implied forward rate. So based on the information we have now, so from year 1 to year 2, the interest rate should be how much? Okay, you can go back to practice. You can go back to practice to calculate Don't just only exam not only exam Okay, and then yesterday story continue After calculate, and then my friend found that Singapore even best. So my friend transferred their money to Singapore. And their interest higher than us. We got the method Now even you go to CIMB, you can open the account in the Singapore. So for me, I will say the risk is too high because now Ringgit Malaysia already dropped to the bottom, and then if the Ringgit Malaysia appreciate, maybe I lost the currency. So I said I put in the Malaysia bank. Okay. So this is the idea for the implied forward. So for this kind of question, that they give you the answer information on the price of use, and then normally your senior can get the correct answer for year 1. This one, and this one. 1, 2, 3 we correct because of what? Year 1 all same. Year 1 all same. And then to calculate the continued compounding, we're using natural log of 1 plus the interest. Okay, par coupon bond use here. Par coupon bond use here is referred to you want to make the decision, you want to invest in coupon bond or zero coupon bond. If you want to invest in a coupon bond, the bond should sell at the par value. And then continue compounding. Later I explain to you. Okay, understand what is the function of the 1 year implied forward and then the par coupon bond use. Okay, how to calculate? H I J K L S T. Okay, to calculate this, for the zero coupon bond price, this is not the issue for you all, and then you just use your calculator. And then for this question, they never mention about the par value. So par value equal to 1 Easy to do the calculation. Par value equal to 1. So for the A, E, I, and Q, you're using N, I, PV, PMT, and future value, you can get the answer. Okay, 1 year implied forward 3%. Coupon, par coupon, bond yields also 3%. It's a bonus mark lah, you just copy only. And then the continued compounder is what? Natural log 1 plus 0.3%. Then you can get the answer. I use the yellow color, you can read or not? At the back, can read the yellow color or not? Cannot lah. Okay, simple for year 1. And then for year 2, you using the time value of money, you can get the answer 0.93351. Also easy lah, Okay, come to the I here. Sorry, E have 1 year implied forward rate for year 1 to year 2. From year 1 to year 2, and then implied forward rate have equal to A divided by E minus 1. Equal to 0.97087 divided by 0.93351 minus 1. Then you can get the answer 0.04224002. Okay, this is 1 year implied forward. Okay, for the J, for the J, the meaning of 1 year implied forward is like this. Okay, year 1 to year 2 is 2 years is 3.5%, and then 3 years is 4%. So the 1 year implied forward this is how much? So your calculate is for this year 2 to year 3. Okay, so how to calculate the J here? We're using E divided by I minus 1. Okay, the rest year 4 and year 5, go back to do the homework. Okay, now, par coupon bond use. Par coupon bond use is you want to invest in a zero coupon bond or coupon bond. Okay. PCBY. Okay, so how to get the answer for G is the par value minus the current price. Current price is E. And then divide by A plus E. Okay, par value minus the current price E here. So you get the par value is 1 minus 0.93351 divided by then you get the answer. Okay, what is the meaning of 3.491%? Okay, now you have two bonds in front of you, 2 years bond. Zero coupon bond provide you the return is 3.5%. Okay, and then another coupon bond, they provide you the return 3.49%. We ignore the one, we ignore the one. Okay, in this situation, if you invest in either one, after 2 years, they also will give you 3.5% return with the condition. If you invest in the coupon bond, you receive the coupon rate, you go to the invest again. You go to the invest your coupon with a 3.49%. At the end, after 2 years, your return will be the same. Okay? If another coupon bond they provide you 3.5, then should take the bond with coupon bond with the 3.5%. Because after you invest, you can get the higher return compared with the zero coupon bond. Okay, and then I continue calculate the K. K is the par value minus the current zero bond price I, and divide by A plus E plus I. 1 minus 0.889 divided by 0.97787 plus 0.93351 plus 0.889. and then you will get the answer. Okay, easy, and year 4, year 5, your homework, and then zero coupon. Continue compounding zero coupon bond yields is we're using the natural log plus 1 plus I, Then you can get the answer. And then for year 3, you can get the answer is okay. To adjust the maximum point in your calculator, change decimal point. Okay, change the decimal point in your calculator. For HP, you need to press the shift button, the red color or orange color, the one. And then you press the equal. Because equal, they say you will see DISP. Okay, then if you want 5 maximum point, then you press 5. If you want 6, then you press 6. Okay, this is the HP. For Texas, For Texas, you can see the, you go to find the format. Format is in the dot that side. Okay, so you press, because the format, the word in the yellow color, so you need to press the second. You press the second and then press the dot. And then the screen that will come out is EC then equal to maybe 2. If you want to change to 5, then you press 5. And then after this, you need to press enter. Okay. And then for cashier, you need to adjust, they give you full. Okay, because sometimes question will ask you using 3 decimal point or 4 decimal point. Depend on. Sometimes question one ask you 10 how. Okay, so it depends on question. Sometimes question we say give 3 decimal point or 4 decimal point. So until now, any question? And when you're free, replacement for the last week class. Up to you. Or not, then you just on and then sleep. Okay, when you're free. Hi. Then I cannot because then you 12. I have the class of 12:30. After lunch, what time you can? Others? Oh, easy lah. Friday, 12:30 to 2. By next week. Next week 12:30 to 2. Online class. You need to remind me because I got a lot of things to do. Sometimes I forgot. This week I cannot because this week I already have the appointment on 12. So next week 12:30 to 2. Hey, not yet finished, Master. Got one more question now. Question 6. Your homework. Hey, you really need to do, Okay hả? Any question? No then see you next week Huh? Attendance next. No next week. Attendance I will help you to key in.